2020 is all about quarantine self-care. Here's 7 tips for your party feet this Christmas. Hey everyone, my name is Deidré Bramble, and on this channel, I help you become the master of your own foot health. In this video, you will learn quarantine self-care tips for your feet. We can all agree that this year is going to be a little bit different. Here in the UK, we get 5 days to celebrate Christmas with our families. Which is quite generous, all things considered. So what does that mean exactly? Well, it means we're still going to have a good time, right? Even if it's 5, 6, or even 10 people in our household. There's food to buy and there's still plenty of Christmas presents to get. And with the social distancing rules and the endless queues, the feet are surely going to get a good bashing this year. So here are some tips to take care of your Christmas feet this year. And the first tip is moisturizing. So make sure you moisturize your feet every day. Sunlight, friction from being inside your shoes, and even some soaps can all contribute to the dryness of your feet. So make sure you apply lots and lots of cream. A good vitamin E cream that's specific to the feet will suffice. And make sure you apply lots of cream on the soles of the feet and also on the top, but make sure you avoid putting cream between the toes. Second tip, put your feet up. After standing for long periods of time or even the warm weather can cause the feet to swell. So it's not a bad idea at the end of the day to put your feet up. Elevate them high enough above your heart level just to help reduce any swelling that may occur. Bonus tip, when you're out and about and you sustain some sort of injury and your legs, your feet and your ankles start swelling suddenly, then don't ignore. Please seek medical advice. Third tip, freeze a bottle. So what does that mean? What you can do is freeze a bottle, any plastic bottle, a water bottle or a Coke bottle before you go out on your trip. So when you get home, just in case your feet may feel achy or even sore, then what you can do is take that cold bottle out of the freezer and roll your feet back and forth, paying particular attention to the arch and the heel. And that will help any disturbance to the soft tissues. And trust me, it feels amazing. Fourth tip, exfoliate your feet regularly. So if you normally see a podiatrist to remove dry, hard skin from the soles of your feet, what you can do is use a pumice stone in between treatments. Or you can also use foot scrub or a foot peeling mask. That seems to be the trend at the moment to keep your feet feeling soft and smooth. Let me know in the comments below if you would like me to do a foot peeling mask review, and I will do one for you. And remember, don't be tempted to use a knife or a razor to remove dry, hard skin. Just wait and get professional help from a podiatrist. And the fifth tip is high heels. Ladies and gentlemen, switch up your heels. Don't wear high heels all the time. Where possible, wear trainers instead. Instead of wearing that 7-inch, Jimmy Choo shoes, then go for a wedge heel or a block heel for more support. And remember, high heels actually shorten your calf muscles and can cause pain to your hamstring muscles as well. So what you can do to ease that pain is to stretch at the end of the day, or even better, stretch before you put on any high heel shoes. Tip number 6, be sun smart. If you're living in a warm country, make sure you apply sun cream to your feet. Your feet are not immune to skin cancer. If anything, they are prone to skin cancers. So make sure you apply sunscreen to them if they're being exposed. If you're enjoying this video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and hit that notification bell. Tip number 7, nail polish. I know you want to have pretty toenails for Christmas, and that's fine. Just remember that nail varnish starves the nail of the oxygen that it needs to survive. So if you are going to apply nail polish, make sure you use a brand like Dr. Remedy, for example, that doesn't have the rubbish stuff that the other nail varnishes have inside of them. Some other tips to take into consideration: you want to leave that nail polish on for about a week, and then you leave your nails free to breathe for at least 5 days before reapplying. When it comes to removing your nail polish, use an acetone-free nail varnish remover, because acetone is a harsh chemical and it can dry your nails out even more. If it's winter time, then you don't need to apply nail polish at all. Let your toenails breathe during this season. And there you have it, my 7 tips for taking care of your potty feet this Christmas. And if you would like more tips on how to take care of your feet, then download my 6 diabetic foot care tips guide, and I will leave the link for this in the description below. From my family to yours, we wish you a very merry little Christmas and a happy new year. Cheers.